I think my biggest takeaway from Hastings College is work hard and the sky's the limit. I'm Marissa Ruiz. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm a wildlife biology major. I'm on the women's bowling team. I'm a part of our honors program, biology honors. I'm a tutor. I'm a tour guide. I'm on the student association. Lots of fun things that keep me busy here at Hastings. I find a lot of value and purpose in being a part of my community, especially here at Hastings College, and the ability to grow the community and help others where needed is something that I really enjoy doing. The main thing that motivates me is definitely looking towards my future and the things I want to accomplish. You know, sometimes when my classes are really difficult or maybe I have a lot on my plate, I kind of look forward and think about where I want to be in life, and part of that is going to vet school. And I know that putting the time and dedication in now will make my life easier down the road. And I also look in the past and see everything that I've accomplished so far, and that kind of motivates me in knowing that if I've done hard things in the past, I can continue through and do hard things now. Hastings has given me a variety of classes that I've been able to put on a lot of resumes, a lot of lab work, going out in the field and actually conducting studies. Those hands-on experiences are really important to put on resumes for internships and even applying for graduate school.